Hello learners, welcome back to Learners Galaxy. Today we will learn basic data entry and formatting in Excel. So today's targets are entering data into cells and basic formatting like font size, colors and borders. So let's get started. So let's open the Excel. Once you will open it, click on any cell and type name. Now press Tab to move to the next cell and type age. Continue this to enter more data in rows and columns. Now we know how to enter data into cells. Let's get to formatting. Formatting makes your data more readable. Select the cell and go to the Home tab. Here you can change the font of the data, the style of the data, and the color of the data. Now, to apply the same formatting to other cells, use Format Painter. Select the formatted cell, click on the Format Painter, and then drag over the cells you want to format. Now, let's see the border options. Borders helps you to keep your data organized. First, select the range of the cell you want to format. Go to the Home tab and find Borders button. Click to it and choose all borders. Now this will add borders around each cell, making your table look clean and well organized. So try doing something like this yourself and we will meet in other videos with few more amazing topics. Thank you.